From majestic waterfalls and jaw-dropping cliff, from stunning white sand beaches to vibrant marine sanctuaries, cozy mountain cafes with panoramic views and thrilling cave adventures, Siquijor Island truly has it all. In this video, I'll show you the must-visit spots around the island, how to get to Siquijor, and estimated expenses so you can plan your trip with ease. Join me as we uncover the raw beauty, the hidden gems, and the magic that makes Siquijor a place you'll never forget. Welcome to the enchanting island of Siquijor.
Baby, I go crazy, so damn only when you're not around. But I'm not afraid to chase ya. I'll find you in the neon lights, walking over you.
How to get to Siquijor? If you are traveling internationally or from Metro Manila, your best option is to fly to Dumaguete Airport. It is a quick flight, just around 1 hour and 10 minutes. Once you arrive in Dumaguete, take a tricycle to the port. The ride takes about 20 minutes. I recommend booking your ferry ticket online in advance. That way, you can skip the ticketing booth, which is still about 1 to 3 minute walk from the ferry departure gate. The ferry ticket costs 310 to 380 pesos per person. So, nakakuha na kami ng ticket. Fast craft, and 7:45 yung biyahe. So from ticket booth or sa ticket station, maglalakad pa tayo ng konti. Maglalakad talaga, walang ano dito, sakayan? Hindi, wala bang diretso doon? Oo. Andito na tayo sa Dumaguete Port. From Dumaguete Port, the ferry ride to Siquijor takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on sea conditions.
It's a train where I'm the only passenger on board. Oh, there is beauty to enjoy on this road.
So, kakarating lang namin dito sa Siquijor Port. And it's almost 9 o'clock na, 8:45 to be exact. Sobrang ganda ng dagat nila dito. Sobrang linaw. When you arrive at Siquijor Port, you can take a tuk-tuk or tricycle to your hotel. The standard rate is 600 pesos for a one-way trip. One thing to note, while there are several ATMs on the island, many are often under maintenance or out of cash. At least that was the case during our visit. So it is best to bring enough cash just in case. Where to stay? When it comes to accommodations, Siquijor offers plenty of options, from budget-friendly stays to luxurious resorts. For our first night, we checked in at Coco Grove Beach Resort just for the experience. So today, we are now in Coco Grove and mag-stay kami dito for one night for the experience dahil gusto ng wife ko makita yung loob and gusto niya ma-experience as well. It is one of the most high-end resorts on the island. It is rated 4 to 5 stars on booking platforms and for good reason. The resort offers a variety of rooms with garden views, sea views, or even beachfront access. It also has 3 swimming pools, multiple restaurants, poolside bars, and plenty of cottages and chill-out areas where you can just relax and soak in the island vibe. But the best part? Tubod Marine Sanctuary, where you can snorkel and swim with the sea turtles, is located right in front of the resort. For a full tour of Coco Grove Beach Resort, check out the link in the description or in the comments below. Watch until the end of the video for another accommodation with a very affordable rate at 1,500 pesos to 2,000 per night with almost similar vibe of the resort. Now let's explore the best places to visit in Siquijor. To get around the island, you can hire a self-drive motorcycle which starts at 450 to 550 pesos per day. Private car which starts at 1,500 pesos per day for self-drive, or hire a tuk-tuk driver with a standard rate of 1,800 pesos per day. They will take you to all the destinations and even share fun facts and local tips along the way. Ito yung aming tour guide and driver. Christian! Good morning! Say hi to the vlog.
Hey, hi to my vlog! Shout out!
Our first stop is the famous Cambugahay Falls. So, andito na kami ngayon sa Cambugahay Falls. And bago makapasok, bibili muna ng ticket dito. Okay, the admission is 50 pesos per pax. To reach the falls, you'll go down a set of stone steps. So hold on tight because the reward waiting below is pure paradise. Sobrang tarik. Isang pagkakamali mo lang talaga dito. Sa baba ka pupulutin. So, andito na tayo sa pinakababa. Cambugahay Falls is made up of 3 beautiful piers, each with something special to offer. At the first level, you can try the popular rope swing and jump into the crystal clear waters, or take some fun shots on a bamboo raft, also known as balsa. The second level is a chill swimming area, perfect for relaxing or snapping those scenic shots on another balsa. And at the top level, you'll find the magical Ferry Walk, a peaceful picturesque spot surrounded by nature. Our next stop is the Pitogo Cliff. So we are now in Pitogo Cliff. For kayo mag-enter, merong bayad na 30 pesos per pax. 30 pesos here in Pitogo Cliff. No drone kasi. Meron na yatang drone dito. Jumping is strictly prohibited. It is a must-visit spot when you are exploring this magical island. Once you get here, you'll be welcomed by a breathtaking, endless view of the sea. It is a kind of place where you just stop, take a deep breath, and appreciate the moment. There are several picture-perfect spots around the area, so don't forget your camera, or better yet, hire a drone pilot. Trust me, the shots you'll get from the edge of the cliff, sulit na sulit.
You got it. You got it. You got it.
Pitogo Cliff is raw, natural, and absolutely worth the stop.
I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong, just remember that I'm here to cheer you on. Yeah, I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around, 'cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it.
Next up is the Kawayan Holiday Resort. So we are now in Kawayan Holiday Resort. And ang sabi nila dito is 20 groups lang yung allowed na pwedeng pumasok everyday. So, pang-pito kami. So, magkano ate?
200 po.
200 entrance. Magkano yung sa drone?
Ay, kami na ba?
Guys, yung gusto nyo ng ano?
Ay, nagpipicture pa.
Kung gusto nyo pala ng magpa-drone, dito yan sa resort? Okay guys, turn na namin today. Ay, today. Ngayon, so ready na yung aming artist.
You saw me in the crowd, they were calling last call. I was lost in the noise, oh my. But you opened my eyes, yeah, the story of hope began that night. Without a clue of what's coming next, was I guided by hands I couldn't see? Was it written somewhere, part of a plan? I have these thoughts in my head. Can you make it make sense? How a heart can burn with joy, then suddenly feel cold. Still I trust there's more to know. Feels like my head's underwater, but you're there at the surface, lifting me through the doubt. Can you make it make sense? How a heart can heal again when the fire never ends. Do you remember that night, you and me in the dark? The rain was pouring outside. Days turned into months, but I felt your hand.
So, andito na tayo sa Book Cafe. Ganda dito tumambay. Ayan o.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side, lay your head on my chest.
So dito tayo magla-lunch. Yan yung mga menu.
But I'm right here, it's gonna be okay.
Ay, ka muna nito. Masarap. Nasilaw. If you are enjoying our adventure so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, for our first destination for today is the Balete 3. So let's go. May restaurant doon guys, so fast food. Tapos may mga tindahan dito sa labas. Ano yan?
So ngayon nyo ako galitin. Para malaman natin.
Ano yan, barang?
Pamabara.
So papasok na tayo sa loob. Entrance. How much po?
20 pesos per head.
20. Fish, ano pala to? Laki ng puno, oh. Ay, isa. Ilang years na kaya to? Parang yung isang buong puno, nanganak na doon ng another puno. Ang daming puno sa taas din. Wow, ang laki ng isda. Let's try this. Doon tayo, May, oh. Ayun. Di. Tinan mo. Tinan mo. Nakakiliti. I-try mo na. Itaas mo na yung ano mo. Gagi. Seryoso. Seryoso, i-try mo. Nakakiliti. Siguro alam nila maraming kalyo.
Oo. Nakita nilang patay yung kuko mo.
I wanna get too close, gonna get it right now. I wanna
So, saglit lang kami dito sa Balete 3. Medyo dumami na yung tao. Siguro mga wala pang 30 minutes. Okay naman yung experience. Nasaan yung isa? Next stop is the Tubod Marine Sanctuary. So, we are now in Tubod Marine Sanctuary. Ang daming mga painting na binibenta dito. Oh. And then, mga ginagawang bracelet. Bracelet, anklets.
Magaganyan mo.
Tapos, Tubod Marine. Saan? May entrance. Magkano entrance ba?
100 sir.
May
Tapos meron na yun.
100. Tapos,
Then may guide kami sir.
may kasama ng mask and snorkeling?
Yung guide,
Ay, ano?
100.
Di pa sir. Ano pa lang yan entrance.
300 each person?
No.
100.
100 for the entrance fee ma'am. And then meron kaming mas dito na 100 also.
Meron
So
ako.
the rent. Meron ka.
So, ito yung entrance nila. So, papunta doon mag-snorkeling ka. Ayan. May turtle daw dyan. Seryoso ba? May turtle? Ayan o. Tapos, ayan na. Eto, kasama na yan sa nirent? O, i-rent din yan?
Rental rin sa
100 din to. Iba pa yung entrance, 100 din.
then guide 300.
Guide, 300. May turtle daw dito?
Yung guider ng bala sir.
Oh, sige. Tubod Marine Sanctuary, one of the best snorkeling spots here in Siquijor. Just a few steps from the shore, and you are already swimming with colorful fish, vibrant corals, and clear, calm waters, and if you are lucky, you'll get to swim with a sea turtle.
Pawikan sa ilalim, hinihintay natin umangat. Siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes, hintayin na natin umangat kasi napakasakit sa tenga pag sobrang lalim. Na sumisid ka, sobrang sakit, parang puputok yung eardrum ko. Sobrang lalim na nito, no? Ilang ano na to?
Now let's go beach hopping. Our first stop, Paliton Beach. So andito kami ngayon sa Paliton Beach. Entrance fee is 20.
Tapos parking fee 20. Ayan,
Oh, 20 kaya 60.
Ha?
Papasok. Ayan nga, kaya nga may parking.
Hindi siya, dalawa lang to eh.
Wala silang parking yan. Walang entrance. Okay, so nandito tayo sa Paliton Beach and ito na yung hinahanap ko na suwaki. So ito na yung suwaki, guys. Kakain tayo niyan mamaya. Hindi, parang ano na yun.
Balik mamaya, sir. 5 pesos lang po yan sa waki.
Kailan pa ito nakuha, kapon?
Ngayon lang yan, sir. Bawal na yung kahapon. Dapat
Mura magbaho na. Hindi namin, yung Little Boracay. So dito sa Paliton Beach, guys, ang daming mga paninda. Parang strips ng Boracay. Mala Boracay pa lang yung style dito. Oh. Ayan, oh, parang Boracay. Uy, hindi na ng tubig. Ayan, oh. White Beach. Tapos ang daming kainan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Oh. Pwede kang magtambay lang. Tapos maligo.
May ganito. Wala namang gagawin.
So magsiswing daw muna siya. Yung anay ang human drone, guys.
July
Next stop is Salagdoong Beach, one of the most exciting beaches in Siquijor, famous for its crystal clear waters and cliff diving spot.
Ang taas.
So guys, tapos na kami dito sa Salugdoong Beach Resort and papunta naman kaming cave. Anong pangalan ng cave, kuya?
Sambulawan Cave.
Sambulawan Cave. So mga 45 minutes daw sa loob ng cave. Try lang natin, total, dito na rin naman tayo. So dumaan muna kami dito sa man-made forest. So man-made forest daw to. So buong palibot na to man-made to. Tinanim ng ano. Oh, sige. Dito tayo magbabayad ng entrance papuntang cave, underground river. So, Sambulawan underground river. Ayan. Magkano po? Dalawa?
Opo, good afternoon, sir.
Dalawa po.
So, yung entrance mo, sir, is 250 kada tao po. Kasama niyang lights at life jacket. Then, yung guide po, hindi kasama. Depende sa inyo kung magkano po ibigay sa guide.
250 dalawa, wala pang guide.
Wala po pong guide. Pinilan sa inyo kung magkano po ibigay sa guide.
Ah, okay. Guys, papunta kaming cave. And ito oh, para kami maghimina ng gold.
Say hi!
Ayan.
Hi!
So hindi naman ito nalulubat? Baka malubat?
Hindi po, sir.
Ayan.
So, yung guide niyo po, si Robert.
Hi, Kuya Robert.
So guys, papasok na kami. Ay, pababa na pala. Pababa na ng hagdanan.
Talagang ano?
Papunta na tayong cave.
At least merong ganun.
Kumusta po?
Kapagod.
Pagod tayo.
Okay lang.
Mukhang hindi okay.
Ma'am, ito yung sinasabi ko naman sa 24 steps ko lahat, mama.
24 step.
Yeah. Tapos yung 15 niya, medyo siya stiff konti. Yung at least, klaro naman po yung hawakan niya at saka apakan niya. Sir, yung lights mo, sir. Buksan mo na yan, sir.
Push mo. Mag-ingat ka, Fred, ah.
Doon tayo papunta, ha?
Kasunod na kami sa'yo.
Yan.
Ikaw mo
Okay.
sabi.
Hindi mo na kasi baka mamaya paglingon ko. Lamig.
Dito lang kayo sa kaliwa niyo banda, ma'am, left.
Dito?
Yes. Pwede naman kayo makahawak sa tubig, sa bato.
Hindi, lulutang ka naman eh.
Kasi dito,
Tawag dyan is skill. Guys, ibang experience. Ito pinakagusto ko.
Bakit parang napagod yung iba dun?
sa ano yun, ma'am, sa pagpaakyat.
Guys, ang dilim sa likod.
Basta, tuhod ha, ingat yung tuhod niyo ha. Kasi may mga bato talaga sa kabilaan.
Baho.
Gaano ka lalim to, kuya?
15 feet, sir.
So hindi mo abot.
Marami din dito.
Abot na yun. Abot mo na yan, sir. Kasi
Pwede naman lakad?
Oo, pwede. May bato sa kanan mo ha, ilalim sa tubig, oh.
Never talaga ito na anuhan, nawala ng tubig.
Never po, never.
Ganito talaga siya.
At ganito lang talaga to yung level niya, ma'am. Kahit, sir, kahit pa isang taon palaging umulan sa labas.
Oh, seryoso?
Oh, seryoso. Kahit pa 4 na bagyo yung kasabay.
Ang linis ng bato. Ano?
Sana ganito yung tubig sa bahay.
Ma'am, sir, medyo tumagilid lang po dito ha. Sa dulo, sir ha. Lahat ng mga rock formation dyan na makikita. So nature na nature talaga yan. Tingnan mo itong hugis ng bato, sir, yung sa ilaw ko. Para siyang tao, rubuda dyan na nakaupo. At para din siyang jellyfish doon sa taas. O, ayan. At
Di ba kumupo dyan?
yung pinaka-source ng lahat ng tubig, sir, so galing po sa dyan. Lahat. Oo. Dyan po siya talaga lahat galing. Oo. Kita niyo no, napakalinaw po, para nun siyang kristal dyan.
Pero hindi mo ramdam yung ano?
O hindi mo talaga ma-feel yung current niya kasi napakahina talaga yung current niya. Diyan po lahat galing yung tubig, palabas papunta doon.
Ang galing, no? Tapos hindi siya, ano?
Okay,
Hindi
stop.
siya...
Okay.
Isa to sa pinakamalaking cave na puntahan ko. Kasi yung una Palawan Cave, no?
Ay, yung pala ako, hindi ko makalangoy.
Oo nga, bangka.
May lumungoy pa ano din.
Dito pala lahat. Nice.
Ang galing na naka-discover dito na hanggang dito. Kung gaano kadilim talaga dito, ha? As in, zero visibility. Pag in-off yung light. Oh, hawak sa bato.
Basta magsalita ka talaga, ha?
Oo.
Okay.
Ayan guys, nakikita nyo pa ba kami? Grabe, parang... wala talaga, wala ka makita kahit ano, no? Wala talaga.
So, okay na to, be.
Grabe.
Okay na, kuya.
Sige, oh. Alright guys, so after namin sa cave, nandito kami sa aming last destination for today, Lagaan Falls. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Jump!
Nice, amazing! Oh, di ba? Lakas ni Kuya, oh. So, okay, tapos na yung aming falls adventure. And that's all for today. And babalik na kami sa hotel para i-catch yung sunset. May sunset kaya ngayon?
May sunset pa.
Meron siguro, sir.
Okay, babalik na tayo. Alright? So we are now in one of the famous church sa Siquijor. Lassie ba yung tawag dito? Lassie Church? Lassie or Lazi? I'm not sure kung Lassie or Lazi. Tapos yung kaharap niya, kumbento daw yan. So dyan nakatira yung mga kari. Laki yun, no? Ang lalaki ng mga balete tree dito. Yan, so pasok tayo simbahan.
Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found. Was blind, but now I see. 'Twas grace that taught my heart.
So hi guys, we are now in Bolo Bolo Spring. Ayan, sobrang linaw ng tubig in Bolo Bolo Spring. Maraming mga naliligo. Usually, mga nakikita ko dito is from mga lokal, mga nagpi-picnic. So may mga table dito na pwede kayo magdala ng food. May mga parking din. And kunti lang yung mga tourist. Ayun, no. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Nandun yung entrance. And may mga nagbebenta dito. Ayan, mga nagpipiknik, may mga dalang food. May mga table dito. Siguro may mga rent din to. Yung table. And pababa ka dito. Ang linaw ng tubig actually. Green na green. Ayan, no. Mga naglalaba, oh. Yung naliligo dun sa taas, dito bumabagsak yung tubig. Yan. Tapos naglalaba sila.